I'm a proud Jamaican woman, mother of 5, who is always in the kitchen. So let me show you what I do. So today I'm making brown stew chicken for my family. Here it's all my ingredients that I need. So as you can see, I have my bell peppers, I have my green onion, I have my thyme, my tomato, my lime, my Scotch Bonnet Pepper, my garlic, carrots, and over here I have my vinegar, my oil, my Maggie seasoning, my black pepper, parsley flake, salt, soy sauce, and of course, here is my chicken. So after stripping, cleaning, and chopping the chicken, I went ahead and I used half a cup of vinegar, my lime, water to wash and soak the chicken for 5 minutes. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add all my seasoning. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and we're gonna start cooking. So we're gonna add first we're gonna add our powder seasoning. Okay. Then I'm gonna actually do half of my chopped seasoning. We're gonna leave the other half for later on. So let's get some of this in here and we're gonna marinate. And it's always good to season your chicken like the night before. It'll be really good to do that and just have it sitting in the fridge so it can marinate. And here we go. So you just want to get all in and just rub it all in because you want it to be well seasoned. So just don't be afraid to just get in and marinate. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes before I put on my pot. So I'm putting the rest of my seasoning right here in a container so it'll be easy for me to add it to my pot when it's ready, when I'm ready for it. Okay. Let's get all of this in here. All right, so I'm getting ready now to add half a cup of oil to my hot heated pot over there. So here I go. You don't need a lot of oil because you're doing the brown stew chicken. With brown stew chicken, you don't need a lot of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil to my pot. So now that my pot is hot and ready for my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and add my soy sauce to my chicken. And then I'm gonna get all my chicken going right now. So I actually add I'm doing 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. And I'm just gonna rub it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it right up into that hot oil that I have going on over there. So look at this, guys. To get this nice brownish color, that's what you want. Go. All right. All right, so we are ready for the pot. Okay guys, just got done sauteing my chicken for 15 minutes on medium heat. So right at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my little bit of seasoning that I had in this container left with some water. I'm actually gonna do around 3 cups of water and put it on medium heat to simmer with the lid on for 25 minutes. Okay guys, my 25 minutes in, I am ready now to add the rest of my seasoning, the half that we put away. The reason why I do this is, I don't know if you ever go out to eat and sometimes you get the food and it tastes, it tastes like it needs to be seasoned more. With this trick, you actually taste all that seasoning in your food. It doesn't taste like it locked off all of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the rest of my seasoning for 20 more minutes. Five minutes left. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw my chopped carrots in. You gotta get your vegetable in anytime you can, get it in. And I'm only gonna do it in the last 5 minutes because I don't wanna overcook my veggie. Okay guys, look at this. Our brown stewed chicken is ready. Look at this guys. So here I have my yellow rice, my brown stewed chicken with my carrots in, and then I did a little bit of spinach on the side. So this is what your chicken is supposed to be looking like, your brown stewed chicken right here. I had to add 2 more cups of water because I need a little bit more gravy in. I didn't want it to be without, my gravy. So I had to add 2 more cups of water. But look at this, guys. Looks lovely, wouldn't you think? So my daughter just got here and she is hungry and we're ready to dig in. So see you next time. Bye.